When it comes to having fun on two wheels, you can't really beat the feeling of a dirt jumper. Whether it's floating through the air, getting completely sideways, or doing a perfect manual, the DMR SECT range is equipped for the occasion. The DMR SECT dirt jumper is aimed at providing ultimate fun and progression for all riders. Whether you want to improve your jumping skills, become a pump track champ, or just learn some new tricks, the SECT and SECT Pro will suit your needs. The higher end Pro build of the DMR SECT is a heat-treated chromoly steel frame set. These frames will take more abuse than you can dish out, yet still weigh in at 12 kilos. The SECT Pro gets the tapered head tube treatment, enabling for the awesome X-Fusion slant fork. The air spring in the X-Fusion slant fork allows for you to go rock hard for bottom out resistance. The air spring also drops the weight significantly over the coil fork in the SECT model. Both models include front and rear Tektro brakes that deliver all the stopping power you'll really need. DMR have also input Kenda small block tyres to give an optimal mix of speed and grip. Standing on the pedals of the SECT Pro, you can really feel that it's calling out to be taken down the dirt jumps, but it's pretty handy on the streets too. We took this bike to both the skate park and the local dirt jumps, and man, it performed. There is really nothing other than fear holding you back with this bike. So I've had tons of experience with dirt jumps and different bikes over the years, and I can't really think of a bike that beats the feel of the SECT dirt jumpers. Their geometry gives a flowy feel that really gave me more confidence in trying new things. If you're keen on the features this bike offers, whatever your age or skill level, the SECT dirt jumpers will not disappoint. Pushys Online is now stocking the full 2020 range of DMR dirt jumpers. Go check out the website for a full list of specs and colorways.